Here is question number 6 of WAEC 2025 Further Mathematics Examination, the theory questions. This question is under probability. To save time, I have already constructed my table. If two fair dice are thrown twice, find the probability of obtaining a product of 6 in the first row and a sum of 8 in the second row. We have to understand the question first. Product, remember how many dice? 2, right? You know the outcome from the first die and the second die. You multiply their outputs. That's what it means. So this is the first die, this is the second die, these are what? The sample space. So the product, so let me say the probability of getting, should I write everything? Product of 8, or of 6, that is the first one. So we should count the number of times this appears. We know that 1 multiplied by 6 will give us 6 because we are talking about product. 1 times 6 equal to 6, right? And we know that 2 multiplied by 3 will also give us 6. 3 multiplied by 2 will also give us 6. And 6 multiplied by 1 will give us 6. So how many altogether we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4, right? Out of what? Everything here is 36. All right, then the probability of what? Getting sum of 8. Sum of 8. Where can we add to get 8? 1 plus after 6 will only be 7. So, but we know that 2 plus 6, let me clean this ones so that I will not mix it. All right, we know that 2 plus 6 is 8, so we have 1 here, right? And 3 plus 5, right? 3 plus 5 is also 8. 4 plus 4 is also 8. 5 plus 3 is also 8. 6 plus 2 is also 8. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what? 5 over 36. But remember, it stated that we should find the probability of getting a product of 6 in the first row, and meaning we should multiply the two probabilities together. So I don't have much space to write all of this, but the general probability will be equal to this times this. But this to the simplest form is 1 over 9, right? Because 4 can divide 4 one time and 4 can divide 36 9 times. So we have 1 over 9 multiplied by 5 over 36. And this will give us the general probability. This time this is equal to 5, right? And what is 9 multiplied by 36? That will give us 324. 324. So this is the probability. As simple as that. Next, we are moving on to question number 7.